Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will try to explain how to activate your iPhone with Apple CarPlay in Maruti Suzuki XL6. So first you have to open the paired devices option. After that, on the left right corner you will be seeing a plus sign. Then you have to wait till the device tries to fetch your phone's Bluetooth connection. If it fails, then you have the alternate method which I am going to mention the next. Now you have to click the pair option. Now the car has turned on its own Bluetooth connection. So now we can take our phone and now we can click on the Bluetooth option. Now we have to search the name of the car in the list. So now we will be searching that, it's already mentioned. So now we will try to pair it. So since it will show you a code that you have to match with the infotainment system. So now you have to click the yes button. Now after that it will try to verify. It might take a couple of minutes. Now it is showing that whether you want to work it as Apple CarPlay or as a Bluetooth only. So since I am showing you how to do it in Apple CarPlay, I will be clicking the option Apple CarPlay. So now it will again take a couple of minutes and now it has been connected. So now you can see your infotainment interface has been changed into your Apple CarPlay. So now you can access all the features that is available in the Apple CarPlay, and now you can enjoy your dazzling music with uninterrupted listenings. So at last, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and stay tuned for the more updates, and I hope you will be having a much greater time. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.